Hey, everyone! We're excited to have you here for our latest tutorial series, creating an FPS controller in Unity3D. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this video will guide you step by step through the process of building a responsive and immersive first-person shooter controller. In this tutorial series, you'll learn about player movement, mouse look mechanics, and how to implement jumping, essential elements for any FPS game. So grab your headphones, and let's dive into the world of Unity3D together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Let's get started. Right-click on Hierarchy window and create 3D object, plane and set its scale to 10, 10, 10 in X, Y, and Z accordingly. Set its position Y-axis to -5 and Z-axis to 45. Now right-click on Assets folder and create folder named Material, then go to Material folder and right-click and create new material and named it Ground. Set its color to green and assign this material to Plain Game Object. Now right-click on Hierarchy window and then create 3D object capsule. Set its Y position to -3 and scale it to 2 in X, Y, and Z axis. Now create a C# script named Player Controller and open it. Let's create public float variable named mouse sensitivity. It is used to rotate player according mouse movement and used to control speed of player rotation. Now create another public variable type transform and named it player camera. This variable is used to store transform component of camera and used to set its properties like rotation and position and save the script. Now go to Unity Editor and set main camera as child of capsule game object and sets its Y position to 0.5 and scale to 1 in all axis. Attach script player controller to the capsule game object, set main camera game object to player camera reference. And again open it in Visual Studio for edit. Let's create private variable type float named vertical rotation. This variable is used to constrain player rotation. Now let's get input from mouse. For that I use mouse X and mouse Y for getting rotation of X-axis of mouse and Y-axis of mouse and store it into local variable named mouse X and mouse Y. Now assign mouse Y to vertical rotation and constraint it using math clamp function. Now let's assign this rotation to player camera and rotate player and save the script. Now jump back to Unity Editor and test it. Now I am remove collider, mesh filter and mesh renderer from capsule game object and it works fine. In next part 1 I'm implementing movement of players, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on bell icon so you don't miss the notification. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget subscribe this channel. Your likes and comments are help us to create more reliable content to boost your knowledge. Thank you and meet again in next part of this series.